Hey guys, I'm Alyssa Cheatham and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry I haven't been posting for a while, it's just that I've been busy because I'm an actress and I have a few projects that I've been working on and I'm not allowed to talk about it. But as you can see here, I have a box that came in the mail by Haddad brands. It's from my friends over at Ricky USA, and today we're just going to be doing an unboxing video, and I think this is their fall collection, but I'm not sure because you can see I started to open the box a little bit, but I didn't get to look through everything, but I think it's their fall collection, but I'm not sure. Let's just look inside. Ooh, this is like a sweater. It's really nice, cute. It says Converse. It's from Converse. Yep. So cute. And I think, oh, this is a set. This is a set. And it's really cute together. I like the Converse on the side, as you can see here. It's so cute. Ooh. This is nice because I actually kind of want to start getting into some sports, because I usually sometimes play basketball at the park, and I can wear this because I'll be like a basketball player, number 23. This is a dress, I think. Yeah, this is a dress, and I like the white and purple stripes going down, and it says Converse. It matches, and does it look cute on me? I think it does. Let's see this. Ooh, guys, look at this. Don't you like this? It's like a rainbow, and it's going around and around. It's so cute. Love it. And oh, I think this goes with the where is it? Right here. I think it goes with this. It's so nice though. You can look. It's really, really nice. I can wear this on summer. And during now too. These shorts are nice, just a regular casual day, like going to the park or going to the mall or just going out with your friends. Cute, comfortable, and yes, fabulous. Ooh. As you can see, another rainbow. I love rainbows, and it's by Converse. Love it. Cute or not? I think it's cute. Okay. Ooh, this is nice. As you can see, it says All-Star, so I think it's Converse. These can actually go really cute with gray shorts, and they can go with gray jeans too. Wait, oh, this is cute also. These are joggers, and I think these joggers can go with this shirt, in my opinion. And you see? This is by Converse too. So cute! These are oh, I like these. I like the flowers on it. These are sweatpants. So cute. You can wear this kind of with pink or white or black. It's really nice though. I like the flowers. The flowers are really cute. That's a nice design. Oh, I got another one. It's a skirt. This is so cute. And I like the stripes on it again. So nice. Ooh, this is nice. And I think it could go with this, or where are those jeans again? Oh, right here. Oh no, this is a dress, sorry. Ooh. These are really nice joggers actually, and they feel really nice. Like, I can tell these are gonna be really comfortable when I wear them. And now, last but not least, it is this shirt. It is so cute, and this can go, as you can see, with like just jeans, black jeans, or just white pants, because it's really nice. And that is the whole box. I am so happy with everythkie that I got. Thank you to my friends over at Rookie USA. You can follow them on Instagram at Rookie USA, ROOKIE USA. And I can't wait to try all these clothes on. I'm probably going to do a photo shoot and post those photos to my Instagram. And if you haven't followed me there, it's just my name, Alyssa Cheatham, ALYSSACHEATHAM. And I don't know if you noticed my hair, but it's kind of like big now because I had to run to an audition, and with the humid air outside, my curly hair got really big. But I still love my hair. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and comment down below, and all that good stuff. Bye!